kit for the KRX door caps. It'll have 2 of your plastic pieces in here, your door caps, and 10 push starts, black rivet thingies, whatever you call them. The install on them's pretty simple. Just pinch your door back together if you need to. Put some tape on there or something to hold it. You just push them down tight on the top of the door. And then this corner here is a little long, so it lines up right with the back edge. You just start at the back here, 5/16 drill bit. Drill it out. Once you drill it, put a push dart in there, but don't push the center in yet. Work your way down the door. Once you get to the end, you can pop it back off, clean out any of the plastic or anything that gets in there. Then you just go back, keep your door pinched together. Sometimes it takes an extra set of hands to keep the door pinched together. Push these down on here. Push all your put all your push darts in the door. Actually, there's 5 inches. And you just push the centers in, and that's it. So these are our door caps. You can go to class1motorsports.com, get yourself a set of these. They'll be out the beginning of February.